Hello, my name is John Moseley. I'm an attorney here in Virginia, in Northern Virginia, near Woodbridge and Fairfax. What is the number one mistake that people make in the law with the courts? Waiting too long. Now, do I really need to explain that and take the time to say it? It is such a huge problem, such a common problem, such a recurring problem, that I need to really set some issues here to try to impress upon you the importance of talking to an attorney as soon as you can. Many attorneys, like I, give a free consultation. What that means is I find out if I can help you, and you have a chance to figure out who you want to hire, who you want to choose. If we get into real legal work, I'll have to get paid for my work. But it doesn't hurt. You know, you need to go and talk to an attorney. If you think you need to talk to an attorney, you do. At least to find out what are the parameters of what you need. But I have had so many times, almost everybody who comes to me has had their case already messed up, and many of the available remedies are too late. I had a guy call me just today who is a trucker, and his business is being very badly affected and is caused by the fact that a year ago he had a ticket driving through Virginia and he didn't contest it. He had a good defense, but he didn't bother. He just paid for it. Now he's getting the consequences, and he's asking, is there something I can do about that? Well, there was a 10-day window before the case was closed and the court lost jurisdiction, but a year later, what I could have done right away, I can't do now. The court doesn't have the power that late to reopen the case. There are so many issues where the statute of limitations has expired. And the problem is you may not know what that is because it's different for different things. Some things have no statute of limitations. Some things have 1 year. Some things you have to provide notice to the county government within 90 days or 120 days, or you need to give notice to the Equal Employment the EEOC within I think 180 days. And if you don't do those things on time, you really, it's harsh. It's harsh. But you're screwed. So what I mean is you would have had a good legal right, you would have had a good legal defense, but it has expired. And so one of the most important things that anybody needs to do in dealing with the law and their legal rights, don't wait. Do it now. And remember that, let's say that your case might expire in 3 years. If you come to an attorney in 2 years and 10 months, most law firms are not going to take that case. If they're bumping up against the deadline and they don't have time to get ready and prepared and to find out what's going on and research it and act quickly, most people say, look, I don't want to touch that with a 10-foot pole because my time is running out, and they won't take your case. So the best thing you can do for yourself is act now. Again, my name's John Moseley. You can look at my website. It has a lot of information. JohnMoseley.com, no H, 2 E's. JohnMoseley.com. And I want you to understand your rights.